What the heck is happening? I'm pier fishing with Noel.
You filming right now?
Yeah. Oh, I think I got a bite, Noel. I felt a little bite, yeah. You got like 3 fish? Oh my gosh, what the heck? No. What are those? Are those smelt? Oh, there goes one. Are those smelt? Oh my gosh, wow. I'm gonna get hooked. I think these are smelt, right? Wow. I'm not sure. Let me just throw this one back.
Yeah.
See ya.
Hi.
Alright, I'm gonna drop down at Noel's spot since he just caught fish right here. Hey, I'm getting bit. Yeah, I got one. There's definitely a fish on there. I got a smelt. I got like 2 of them, just like Noel did. Oh God. There goes one. See if this guy will fall off. There he goes. Okay, so there's a ton of these little guys down here. I wonder if we can get past them into some bigger fish. Oh, is that different? No, same type. They're like everywhere right here, I think. I wonder if we can get past these guys into some other fish. I think they're biting it even when there isn't bait on it. Yeah.
How many did you catch since I left?
4?
Really?
You want to try him as bait?
Sure.
All right. I got something, Noel. It feels better too. It's something different. It's like a perch.
Oh, wow.
I think that's like a surf perch or something like that.
Sick.
Yeah.
You need the pliers?
No, I think I got it. That's cool. What is that? Is that a croaker maybe? It might be a croaker.
Oh.
I don't know.
Hey.
That's cool. He bit like immediately. Perch, croaker? I don't know. I'm not an ocean fisherman. I'll identify it later though.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Bye. You got something bigger, Noel? Oh, you got a crab. What? What? That's sick, dude. Dude, look, he's got your smelt in his claws. Jeez. Oh, this would be tasty if you could keep these,
Yeah,
but
right?
you probably can't, huh? That is nuts.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like it was heavier, but it wasn't fighting or something.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, there's something on there, yeah. Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
He's got like barnacles on. Wow.
First crab. Yeah.
Didn't expect that. Oh, I got something. Oh, I think they're bigger smelt. They came out of nowhere.
Oh, wow.
I think it's still a smelt. They're just bigger.
Wow.
What is that? There's 2 on, dude.
Really?
Look, there's one below
Oh
it.
yeah. Oh wow.
Whoa, I had no clue there's a fish on. I don't know how I'm gonna pull them up. This line's pretty light.
Yeah.
There's 2. They're fighting hard. Don't those look like the same fish, or is it? Maybe it's a different fish. I don't know. Wow, I had no clue there's anything on. Oh boy, I might break off, dude. I don't know. Are they the same? They just look way bigger than those other ones. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna pull these guys up. I mean, like, can you grab the rod and I'll hand line them up?
Oh yeah, you got it.
You got them?
Yeah.
Are those the same ones? They are.
Dude,
they're just way bigger ones.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll grab. You want me to grab the pliers?
I'll get them. I'll survive. 2 and 1.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
They look the same, right?
Yeah.
Do we need more bait? Should we keep one?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
You sure? Keep one?
Yeah. Let's
Yeah,
keep it,
for bait? Okay.
Yeah.
That was cool. They kind of appeared out of nowhere.
Yeah, right, yeah.
All right. I don't know what that is. Got something.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
I think it's the same thing.
Yeah. That's the last one you caught?
I think.
Yeah.
Maybe different.
I want to see it.
Right up in the, like, as close to the piling as possible. I
Yeah.
thought I was gonna get snagged in it. That might be the same one. It has a big eye.
Nice, yeah.
Herring, maybe? I don't know. I'll have
Yeah,
to
it does
look
kind of look. If I had to guess.
All right. Cool. Maybe in a little bit. Oh, I think I got something. I got something. Yep.
Yeah?
Yep, it's bigger. Oh, I don't know how to get this up. It's bigger.
Ooh. Nice.
What is that?
Nice.
What is that?
Oh,
this is the same guy.
Yeah. Nice. That's pretty.
One of those Jack somethings.
Yeah. Jacksmelt.
Yeah, it's just a Jacksmelt. It's big.
Yeah.
Pretty hard. Yeah, it's not. Ooh. Ooh, boy. Alright.
Do you want a picture?
No, it's all good. I'm just gonna throw him back because that's kind of gnarly. Alright, there he goes. Going. Yep. It's the same thing from earlier. I will take it. It's like a herring or something.
Yeah.
Maybe something else.
Herring Potter.
I'll take whatever I can get, man.
Yeah.
Honestly, if this is all I can get tonight, I'll probably keep going for them.
Right.
Almost looks like a striped bass, though. That's weird. It almost looks like a striped bass. It's totally not, though.
It kind of does.
Huh.
It actually does.
Huh. Eye's too big, I think.
Yeah.
Throw this guy back. Goodbye. Pure life.
Pure life.
Things are not what they appear to be. I got one.
Yeah.
Something small.
Oh, nice.
I got one. Okay. I think it's another smelt. Oh, crazy. Jeez. Buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look how tangled that is. Jeez. Maybe that's why he's going crazy, because he's so tangled in there?
Yeah.
Okay, got himself unhooked. All right.
You did it.
Wow. I've never seen a fish go that crazy. Okay. Okay.